is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps, and thank you for joining me today. We've got our A6 gel press alongside the graphite from our Elements range. So we're just going to transfer some ink over onto the gel press. So just going around the edge. I'm not going to put too much colour on this one today because I'm going to use the Lunar Buds as a stamp, and I'm going to colour those in. So I don't want too much colour going on in the background as well. I'm going to use a little bit of the yellow, and then the rest of it I'm going to just use the grey. Always remembering to tap that first initial lot of ink off, and that way you get some nice tiny little dots, which gives you that really gorgeous effect. So let's see what we've got there. So I've got my multi-ferris card here. I'm going to pop that down over the top, give that a smooth over. And there we have a lovely background. Okay, so here are our lovely Lunar Buds. I'm going to ink those up in the twilight. Give those a good press. And there we go. One of my favourite stamps, these. One of them anyway. There's so much you can do with these. I might actually just mask those off so that they're not the same height. I'll bring those down slightly. And there we go. Okay. So down at the bottom there, we're going to put our lovely little houses. So this time I'm inking up in the Nocturne. So we've got a lovely little village going on beneath those Lunar Buds. Okay. So I'm just going to mask that off again now. Just where it finishes. And then I'm going to use our stencil brush and twilight. And I'm going to just bring in a little bit of depth of colour down at the bottom. There we go. So now I'm going to paint our lovely Lunar Buds. I'm just using the Brushos that I've got to the side of me. This is the pink, watered down quite a lot. And the beauty I've been able to paint over the top is because we've stamped in the VersaFine, which is an oil-based ink, so it will repel the water, so it won't smudge. So I've got my little jelly roll pen here. It's got a nice fine nib on, so I'm just going to put the lights on in the houses below. And then I've got copper. This is a Sakura jelly roll, and it's a sparkly copper pen, and I'm going to go around the edge of the Lunar Buds. Just to bring a little bit of sparkle, but without it being too overpowering. And you can use whatever colour you like. And I'm just going to do a few little dots down at the bottom here. Okay, so lastly I'm going to pop a verse on. I'm going to stamp off first because I just want it to be very, very subtle in the background. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's demo using the stamps and this technique with the gel press, and I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. It's so much fun using the gel press with the inks and the Brushos. You get some amazing backgrounds. Thanks for joining me, and you take care, and we'll see you real soon. Bye for now.